And am I the only one that didn't know about PAOREI Village's Cosmo Flower Festival? Prepare to be amazed! Nestled in the heart of Manipur's Ukhrul district, PAOREI Village bursts into a riot of colours each autumn with the Cosmo Flower Festival. Imagine fields upon fields of vibrant cosmos flowers, pink, yellow, orange and white, dancing in the breeze. It's like stepping into a living, breathing painting. But this festival is about more than just flowers. It's a celebration of culture and community. Traditional dances, music and local crafts bring the village to life, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the region. Sanatomba Singh, a chief guest at the festival, highlighted its potential to boost the local economy through tourism. And it's working. Visitors flock to PAOREI not just for the beauty, but for the warm hospitality and vibrant cultural displays. Village Chairman Robust FireEye spoke about the competitions among localities for the best cosmos cultivation. This